Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Zelle to Wells Fargo in 2025. With digital banking evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, why use Zelle? It's a quick, secure way to transfer money directly from your bank account. By 2025, most major banks like Wells Fargo are fully integrated, making transfers seamless. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: a Zelle-enabled bank account, the Zelle app or website, and your Wells Fargo account details. Also, ensure your accounts are linked. Zelle works best when everything's connected. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zelle app on your phone or log in via the website. If you haven't already, download it from your app store and sign up using your email or phone number tied to your bank. Step 2. Once logged in, select Send Money. You'll need to add a recipient. Here's the key. If you're sending to your own Wells Fargo account, use the email or phone number associated with it. Zelle allows you to send to yourself or others as long as they're enrolled. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo for your records. It could be something like transfer to savings. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Zelle processes transfers almost instantly, so the money should hit your Wells Fargo account right away. Keep an eye on fees. In 2025, most banks waive them for linked accounts, but it's good to confirm. One quick tip: always verify recipient details to prevent errors or scams. If you run into issues, contact Wells Fargo customer support. They're usually helpful. There you have it. Sending money from Zelle to Wells Fargo in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.